Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together Rubik's Cube. So I did separate it fully, I cleaned up each piece one by one, and now I'm going to try to put it all together. So important thing is to put them correctly, because otherwise you won't be able to solve the cube anymore. So sometimes, just to troll my friends, I actually put some pieces around, so even though they solve the cube, one piece is other way around. So that's a funny way how to take revenge of your friends. So I need the black and green over here. I'm just gonna start by green, okay? So there's another one. This will take some time, but I'm thinking this might be a good time-lapse video. So orange and green over here, just like so. Alright, yellow, orange and green in the corner. So green is almost done. It's a little bit tricky because some pieces would like to fall off. I'm trying to hold them together nicely. So last green piece, where are you hiding? So we need yellow, green and red. Okay, there we go. Come on, let's get you in. Oh, you escaped. Come back. You cannot run from me. Okay, we have a green now. Let's move forward. Let's go ahead and put together the red guys. This is actually pretty cool Rubik's Cube because it has a spring. Oh, also you can unscrew the centers, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, it has like a spring here. You can just wiggle it up and forth. Okay, so let's keep going. Yellow and orange, and now black, orange and blue. So there we go. Come on. So this one's a little trickier. Wow, okay. Messed up a little bit. That was wrong piece. This one. Alright. There we go. So now the corner piece is about to go in. Alright. So the middle piece. Which one I need now? Black. Where's the black one? There we go. There is a black piece. So you can actually lift this a little bit up in order to jiggle it in. Not that simple. Okay, I'm gonna go from the corner side because this is the easiest way. So now the corners are a little bit tougher, so like that. Alright, so a couple more and we'll be all done. Alright, so there we go. Orange and blue. I'm gonna move it on the corner side now because it's getting tougher since the cube is almost done. Alright, you got that one. This one changed its position. You sneaky square. Alright, that's done. So now what you want to do, you will place this one last. So let's start by corners. So move it on the side, get the corner in, place it correctly. And now on the other side, hold this corner so it doesn't go anywhere. So last corner is in, and now the middle piece. So it's in. Alright, so we did the cube, and after lubricating it, it's gonna be amazing. It's already feeling really quick. So, and this cube is unique because you can see the shape of it. It's not like a complete square. It has a little rounded shapes. So that's pretty cool. Alright guys, if you want to see some more Rubik's Cube videos, make sure you like this one, and then we'll see. Maybe I will show you how I lubricate it, and then it runs really smoothly, so you can get the best times out of your soles. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you at the next video.